Hello guys, today we're talking about the Tecno Megapad Pro and whether it's actually worth buying. This tablet is clearly made for people who want a big screen experience at an affordable price, especially students, families, and casual users. The main appeal here is value. You get a large display and solid everyday features without paying premium tablet prices. The Megapad Pro comes with a spacious screen that's great for watching videos, online classes, reading, and multitasking. While it's not a high-end AMOLED panel, it's bright and sharp enough for streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix, and the extra screen size makes a huge difference if you're upgrading from a smaller device. Performance is built for daily use, not heavy gaming. With a mid-range processor and enough RAM, it handles browsing, social media, video calls, note-taking, and light multitasking smoothly, as long as you don't overload it with demanding apps. One of the biggest highlights is the strong battery life, with users reporting it easily lasts a full day of mixed use. Design-wise, it looks modern and feels solid, and the speakers are decent for videos and meetings. Overall, the Tecno Megapad Pro is best for people who want a reliable, budget-friendly tablet for entertainment and everyday productivity, as long as you understand it's not meant for hardcore gaming or professional creative work.